Hi everyone, welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Febrith, and today we're looking at the House of Wizardry monthly crate. Not much of a crate, it's a little box today, quite small. We should get a pin, a potion, a t-shirt, and a mystery item. So just so you know, this is March's box, but it's going to be my last one of these. Instead, I have signed up for a subscription to Wizarding Trunk and Magic Delivered. So you'll be seeing those in future. One is quarterly and one is bi-monthly. And I can't remember which one's which, honestly. I can't remember what I've signed up for. But there'll be no more of these. This is £30 a month, and I feel that the items that I get in it, I just feel like the Americans do it better. I'm sorry I said it. Apart from Cauldron Crate and Mr. Magic over here in Britain, we don't really have anything, really exciting. I hope that this would be it. It's nice, don't get me wrong. I've enjoyed opening every box. It's a bit the hit and miss for me though. So yeah, there we go. And the other two that I just mentioned are so rare. I can't remember the last time Mr. Magic released anything was a very long time ago, and Cauldron Crate are now just going to be 2 or 3 times a year apparently, so we'll see. Anyway, let's get this thing open and see what we've got. Okay, not much of a spoiler in there. By the way, the other monthly subscription that I have, which is Wizarding Wicks, the Lonely Broomstick in Scotland, they have paused my subscription. They did it, not me. I would never have cancelled that subscription. I loved it. But apparently they're doing something new with their website, and so as a consequence of that, they've paused everyone's subscription. So we'll see if that resumes and at what cost. Okay, cynical, aren't I? Let's see what we've got in here. Wrapping, all good for the fire. Little plastic doodad. And okay then, all right, so... Okay, the first thing we have, I'm guessing it's going to be the mystery item. Bus stop, emergency transport for the stranded witch or wizard. Cool. Let's get it open. Okay, there we are. Don't quite know what on earth I'm going to do with it, but there it is. Okay, moving on. This looks like it's going to be the pen. Okay, it's a 1 clasp and it's a 9 3/4. Yeah. Okay, moving on. We have the t-shirt. Looks like it's another black one. Okay, so we've got Godric's Garage Service Technician. That's me. And on the back, there we go. Okay, fun item. Let's get the bubble wrap open and have a look at our potion. All right, we have a flu powder. Check it out. You're going to focus for me? There we go. I'm guessing this is Nin's Apothecary again. It is. Nice seal on the top, beautiful colour. I will put that next to my Nirnroot powder, which is very similar. Yeah, it's cute. Okay, let me show you close-ups of all of these things. All right, so the t-shirt, Flying Delight with repairs done right. That's kind of cute. And we have the motorbike and the Ford Anglia and Godric's Garage. It's all right. Will I wear it? Probably not, honestly. I have so many t-shirts and so many good ones. It's already got a hair on it, good lord. That, this isn't something that I would probably choose. Quite mundane, I have to say, honestly, the pin, but it's cute. It looks good quality, so I will keep it and put it somewhere on my board if I can squeeze it on. The bus stop sign is a fun thing. Again, not really something that I would use. And yeah, the potion, which I think is probably the best thing here, which is the flu powder. Cute. I like that a lot. And I also like the little compass on it. That's very well thought through. And the seal is beautiful. What a gorgeous colour that is. Or mixture. All right, well, that's it for this month. And just in case you need to know, next month the theme is library, in case you're interested. And yeah, that's it. By the way, the pin just doesn't say who it's by. It just says platform 9 3/4. And the night bus stop sign was by the House of Wizardry. Oh, and I've lost a bit of my wax. Okay, that's it. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.